Alright guys, so here is in the quick tutorial I will show you how to check for updates in Excel. So let's get started. First of all, you need to select the file on the left upper side, and from here you need to go to the bottom and simply select the account. Now once you have done to here, you can probably see the update options. You can select it from here and you can simply check for the latest updates from here. So update now, you need to tap on that and it will just try to check the latest update for you, and if it gets the latest update, it will automatically start downloading the updates. Like as you can see, the update is running on into the background. So as you can see guys, Microsoft 365 Office updates are available. So if you get this option, you can simply go with the yes and it will start downloading the Microsoft 365, or you can say the Excel updates for you. So that's how you can simply check for updates in Excel. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.